Hi there, keen traders. Let's take a look. This is Currency Watch. We're going to go through all the trade setups that we have out there. It's a rather slow day, and most importantly, we're going to look at the Great Britain odd. We had that trade going in on Friday. Had been a great month in that pair. Friday's trade, though, just did not pan out. And all last week, we had one break-even trade that looked up rather well. I think we went short. Don't remember the exact levels, but it was up here somewhere, and it was up almost 100 pips before it moved back down to break-even. Now we can see that the pair on Friday, even though it was still in this consolidation range that I was watching between 90 and let's say 87, 86, I guess just this low right here was 86.90. And we can tell we definitely clearly broke below that with the data out with the Great Britain today, and now the pair is pushing lower. But look at this long hold. This is a pretty bullish candle right here. We'll have to see how this closes on the 4-hour, but it could be the end of this trend. We could see a push back down lower. Probably slow week though, with the ECB and Bank of America due on Thursday, and then non-farm payroll on Friday. So what we're going to see here right now, I have an order to go short with a break of this resistance level around 87.15. Just then putting the stop right up here around 87. What's the high there? Around 88. I'm not 100% sure about that one though, because depending on this channel, we could definitely see a turn here. And the reason I say that, if we look on the this chart, on a 4-hour chart, just getting rid of all the trades, you can see that this pair has been following this ascending trend line higher, and it is coming up close to that trend line. Well, it's not too close, but this could be a very compelling wick. We'll have to watch how that closes out. So right now, Great Britain, the order is still in to go short at 87.15, but I will definitely post any entry I do in that trade so you can get exactly see what I'm doing. Let's go through the other majors. Great Britain USD for some stackers. Might finally have one, some coming up here in these pairs, at least in the Great Britain. This pair has broken through this ascending trend line. Now it is poking its head in this pretty strong resistance zone between 163, 163.10. I don't know why that's 163.30, but 163.10 and 162.50 right there. This is going to be the area to watch. We're going to have to watch the 4 hours, see if we get a bounce here. There has been a pretty good move, though, there from 166 down to 163 really shortly. Depending on the close here, might have an opportunity to stack into that trade and finally get some stackers moving into maybe the beginning of February. The Euro USD, same thing. Still looking for a break of that 135 level. Not going to stack in here. Need to get a break of that level. Then look for a continued push down, 133, then 131, hopefully the 130 level. Just a move. We haven't had a clear-cut pattern move in like 3 months. We've just had consolidation, so it's getting very annoying. And it can't last forever. I mean, that's just how the markets move. They normally trend. The USD Swiss franc, same thing. You can see we're just in this consolidation range. I mean, honestly, it's a pretty good range, but I think I'm still looking for a break of the 91.50 or this ascending trend line here at 88.30 before I'd be happy doing anything. Well, let's say 88.72. I don't know why I said 30. And let's say around the 88.70 level before it can go either way in this pair. Let's take a look. Another one of interest is New Zealand USD right here at trend line at 81. We'll have to watch that. We'll jump into it any chance. And the more interesting is the USD JPY. This guy has been giving up ground today with the market falling and so forth. And it is in this zone between 101.60 and 101. We get a break of that, then we're off. You can see that this is a pretty important zone because it's the 50 fib from the entire move higher that we had late in the year. Not the entire move, but the move from, well, let's see, it might be from the entire move. No, from the move higher into the end of the year. You can see where we went from 97 up to 105. So this is an important level to watch. If we get a break of that, then the next level would probably be down here. Not too far, actually. That's not as important level. We'd probably look for the 0.68 fib. So keep an eye on that. Just the other yen pairs, Great Britain broke trend. Euro yen definitely broke fib levels, so we definitely have some momentum to the downside in those pairs. And the Great Britain tentative trade is still at 87.15, but this candle is going to dictate maybe what we do in the price, what I do in the price action. All right, everybody, that is it today. It's Currency Watch. Did it on Friday. We had it on Monday because it's a slow day. Give you guys a heads up what's going on. Talk to everybody later.